So then also you will be correct. So in exams, go for approximations to the nearest perfect squares and perfect cubes. We need not waste our time in finding these things if it is not given. If it is given, then it's best. Okay. So the answer is 54.3. So new surface area is what? 54.3. What was the original surface area? 62.8. So what is the question given? Then the sum of surface area of the sphere is sum of the surface areas of the two spheres, means the addition of these two 62.8 is same as the new 54.3. So that is wrong. So that's why it is false. Next, if a wire is wound around about a cylinder so as to cover the whole surface, the length of the wire is equal to surface area of the cylinder. Means what? See, this is a cylinder, and if I go on tying wire totally on all the surface, this surface height also along the height, and these two surface areas top and bottom also, I tie up like this also and like this also everywhere. So what is the total length of the wire required? So that is equal to the total area, surface area of this cylinder from along with this height and top and bottom, right? So surface area of the cylinder along with top and bottom equals to 2 pi rh along the height, right, and 2 pi r square top and bottom, because pi r square is top, pi r square is bottom, equals to length of the wire required to cover the total surface area. So this is true. Download Yuva Guru app from Play Store to get these videos, test, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Also, learn tables up to 30, squares up to 30 and cubes up to 15 by heart. We have separate videos for them. Sing behind those videos on a daily basis and you'll learn them within 3 months. So these tables, squares and cubes are useful for you throughout your life for various competitive exams. Keep studying, keep watching. Thanks. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuva Guru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.